Thank you very much, dear mentors. Murag ipaningon ko sila sa mga Monsignor, no? Kaya naglingkod naman sila sa presidential table. Next, okay, mentors, be ready with your clap. As this time, you'll be watching the talented alumni as they grab the dance floor. This is called the batch presentation. First in the list is from the host batch 1998. A round of applause, please. Ipapak ko, hindi ko minadali mo, makpak.